Hi, I am Dr. Kalpana Desai from Surat. I am a retired Dean of Corporation Medical College, Surat. My husband a neurosurgeon. He was a practicing neurosurgeon. Both of us here are senior citizens, and I have a child and my daughter-in-law. Both of them are doctors. With all of us are using it very seamlessly. Presently, safety points, I can find it's very high safety concerns. It's very useful for us as being a senior citizens and having restricted medical issues. Yes, it is absolutely very good lift for the elderly, as it is absolutely visible from the outside and no feeling of suffocation inside. Yeah, the safety features needs to be there for any elevators because that is the first point of concern, and I find it quite safe while using it. Aesthetically, I found it absolutely fantastic. I did not have to do any construction work or anything for getting my lift installed. It is absolutely matching my home, and that is the reason I found it most suitable for my home. I started my residence here for last 17 years, which was not planned at all for the lift, but it matched my residence interior so well. And the visitors were like all of them were very thrilled and very much happy with the outlook of the lift. Absolutely matching, and that is the reason I think we had gone for Nibav Lift. Yeah, the mobility of moving up and down is quite easy, particularly with both of us being a senior citizens. Yeah, all of them are very happy with the installment of this lift, as it has completely matched with my home decor and interior. It's moving smoothly otherwise, and we are happy with it at present.